Everybody, Keith Jones behind the binoculars here at Parks for Tuesday, January 7th. A little bit of a mix of clouds and sun today, but a pleasant day. We should have a fast racetrack. Let's take a look at races 4 and 7 on the card. The fourth race, 6.5 furlongs. A claiming race. Horses in here for 7,500, non-winners of 4. Big field of 12. I like the outside horse, the program choice, number 12, Karen's Gem, who comes in from New York for trainer Ray Handel. And jockey Raylu Gutierrez also will be coming in for the ride. Now, Karen's Gem will be taking a pretty significant step back in class. The last time here at Parks was in for in a very tough $25,000 starter race and finished a fairly well-beaten fifth, but behind some very good horses that day. Prior to that start at Belmont Park, went in for $10,000, rallied to finish a good second, got beaten less than a length. Again, this is a conditional $7,500 spot here today. Karen's Gem has that kind of decent early speed for that clear outside gate. Should be able to get up into good early position and sit just off those front runners, kind of in that second flight of horse. And again, with the drop back in class today, I think Karen's Gem should prove best. Race number 4, let's give the call to the 12 horse, Karen's Gem. Back to race number 7 today. It's a starter race at 1 mile and 1/16. The program likes the entry of number 1, Grid and Grind, and number 1A, Star Sign. Scott Lake and Bob Moscow sending those two out for owner Jack Armstrong. Looks like Star Sign probably the better of those two. And the entry of Military Hop and Commandeering coming out for trainer Marcus Soleta. They attract second attention here. It looks like we could have a lively pace in the 7th race. And with that being said, I'm going to give the call to number 5, Flat Out Flying. Now, Flat Out Flying, a recent $16,000 claim for trader Juan Saray. Jockey Michael Sanchez gets the ride here on Flat Out Flying. Now, Flat Out Flying recently came up from the Gulfstream circuit. The horses that have been coming up from Gulfstream Park have been doing very well here locally. Flat Out Flying is one of those horses that fires almost every single time. 12 career starts, has 6 wins. So it's won 50% of his starts with 3 other finishes in the second position. So 9 out of 12 first or second. Now that first start off the claim was in for the same $25,000 starter race and had a tough trip, took up at the beginning and then was wide and nonetheless came on to finish 4th, got beaten less than 2 lengths there at the end. Flat Out Flying, again, one of those consistent late runners, a race that should set up well. And again, the numbers here indicate that Flat Out Flying should be competitive with everything else in here. 9-2 is the morning line price. So race number 7, I'm going to give the go to number 5, Flat Out Flying. Good luck.